Laurie Field, a real estate advisor with Engel and Volker's Chicago North Shore, and it's time to talk about spring cleaning. Spring cleaning involves once-a-year tasks, and they should not be daunting when you plan accordingly. You can do them room by room, task by task, whatever will be best for you. So here are 3 things you should do when spring cleaning the interior of your home. 1. Wash your windows, your blinds, and curtains, and let the sun shine in and brighten up your space. 2. Clean your sliding glass door tracks. Hopefully I'll be using them a lot in the nice weather, and you'll appreciate being able to open and close them with ease. And 3. Clean any overlooked surfaces, such as baseboards, door frames, and walls. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for information on the Chicagoland real estate market and for more helpful tips for homeowners. Thanks for watching. Bye.